Look at all this motherfucking hail coming down on the Omega Tower. What the hell? Look at all this hail. Better not put a hole in my outdoor TV. There's my outdoor lamp. Hell no. Look at all this motherfucking hail. What the hell? Man, nature's a trip. I'm out. Look at this shit. Damn. Damn. Look at this hell, man. Hey, cut that shit out. Damn, that hell is big, man. Alright, I'm out. Whoa, shit. Don't break nothing. Damn. Baseball size hell, man. Damn, look at that. Look, the Royals up in this bitch. Shit, I'm out.